بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. Now moving on to the next discussion regarding the verbs. So we discussed the ahkam of a ism. Now moving on to the ahkam of a fa'al. And ahkam of a fa'al we discussed madi, mudari and amr. And all of these are already coming in our sarf. It's coming in the sarf book. It's also coming in surah al-tasrif. Just a few, one or two new rules. And it's all in Arabic. But we've done the concept. So that's why it's quite quick. It's not as detailed as the other part. It's very all easy. Then we have al-fa'l al-mabni lil-fa'ili wal-maf'uli bihi. Now this is where we are تصرف الفعل وعدمه. And then we go to نفي الفعل تأكيد الفعل and يلحقه علامة التأنيث بالفعل. And then we have the خاتمة. So what's the masala we're discussing here? الفصل الثاني ثالث في تصرف الفعل وعدمه. تصرف means to change, to be able to rotate. في تصريف الرياح, changing. Yes, so تصرف, when verbs can change, you have a تصريف of them, and verbs that don't have a تصريف. So regarding the tasarruf of a fa'al and not having a tasarruf, there are a few types. So al-fa'lu naw'an, from this aspect. Yes? So fal-fa'lu naw'an. In terms of tasarruf, in terms of tasarruf, the fa'al has two types. Okay? What's the first type? The first type is an-naw'ul awwal al-fa'lu al-mutasarrif. The verb that changes. وهو قسمان. There are two types. So if you look at the summary here, you have الفعل المتصرف تصرف يتصرف تصرفا اسم الفاعل متصرف, the verb that changes, the verb that is conjugate. So conjugatable, you can translate it as conjugatable. It's conjugatable verb. And then in here you have two types of conjugation, التام التصرفي. Yes, and then we have الفعل الناقص التصرفي, and then you have غير المتصرف. So you have mutasarrif and غير mutasarrif, two main categorizations. Some those are conjugated and those are not conjugated at all. And those are conjugated, there are two types of conjugation, a full conjugation or a partial conjugation. Okay? So al-fa'l al-qism al-awwal al-fa'lu at-tammu at-tasarrufi. Now here, let me explain the i'rab of this. This is very important. What's happening here in this i'rab? Al-fa'lu is man'ut. Let me go on a bit more. So al-fa'l is man'ut. This becomes the na'at. You following? Yes. And in the na'at we have at-tam is mudaf. Or we can probably go. We will say here mudaf. What kind of mudaf is it? Is it idafa lafziya, idafa ma'nawiyya? Is tam only tasarruf, or is it just in terms of amil? Is it a shibhul fa'l, tam? It's shibhul fa'l. So what kind of idafa is it? Idafa? It's idafa lafziya. Very good. Idafa lafziya. And idafa lafziya, the mudaf can have what? Alif lam. The only reason you can't have alif lam idafa ma'nawiyya is because ma'rifa is two ma'rifa, so it doesn't work together like that. But you don't say the book of the boy. You can say it in English, but you don't do it in Arabic. When you have idafa lafziya, then its idafa is just for i'rab purposes. Right? So therefore, this is going to match the i'rab of this in na'at, and at-tasarruf is the mudafun ilay. And in terms of the other meaning, this is ism al-fa'il. This is ism al-fa'il, and this is the fa'il of the ism al-fa'il. أي تام تصرفه. الفعل التام تصرفه. So the الفعل الأول, القسم الأول, is that verb whose tasarruf is complete, i.e. which is fully conjugatable. Is on the i'rab of this الفعل التام التصرفي. So it's mudaf ilay as the fa'il. And then the ism al-fa'il and its fa'il become the na'at of the man'ut al-fa'il. Is this i'rab and structure clear, this translation? Okay, G. It looks a bit weird, like, hey, what's going on here? You have alif lam, then you have a mudaf ilay, and what's happening here? That's why it says idafa lafziya, therefore has an alif lam on it. So al-fa'lu at-tamu at-tasarrufi. So that verb which is tam in itself, but it's tasarruf, not tam. That verb is mutasarrif and it has full conjugation. What does it have? It has full conjugation. Everybody following? Acha. وهو ما يتصرف إلى ماض ومضارع وأمر واسم فاعل وغيره. And the fa'al mutasarrif, tam mutasarrif, is that verb يتصرف. It conjugates to the madi, it conjugates to the mudari, it conjugates to the amr, it conjugates to ism al-fa'il, ism al-maf'ul. It has a full conjugation. Madi, mudari, amr, everything is included. Nahu ata'a, yuti'u, ati' muti'un. You can also add muta'un if you wanted to. Muta'un, thamma, amin. Okay, it has all the muti'un. You have muta'un as well. It conjugates fully. And majority of the Arabic verbs are like this. Al-Qismu Thani, so you have tasarruf, ta'amu tasarruf, you have mutasarrif, but the tasarruf is naqis. It's not complete. So al-fa'lu an-naqisu tasarruf is that a verb whose tasarruf is incomplete. وهو ما يتصرف إلى مضارع لا غير. It has ماضي مضارع, that's it. No amar, no nahi, no ism al-fa'il, etc. etc. And the example of this is the fa'lu naqis ma zala la yazalu. So if you say zala yazulu zawalan as a normal verb to come to an end, then that's normal, that's ta'amu tasarruf. But ma zala, which is al-fa'lu naqis, the ma zala, the fa'lu naqis, not the zala yazulu zawalan, not the normal tam. Zala yazulu zawalan, fahuwa za'il, you have za'ilun mazul. Not this one, this is the fa'lu tam. Yes, it's a normal ta'amu tasarruf. We're talking about the fa'lu naqis, which means to continue, to remain. So this one is what? Naqisu tasarruf. It has a tasarruf from madi to mudari. That's it. It doesn't go any further. So it's naqisu tasarruf. Are you following? Yes? And the second type, An-Nahw Thani, is naqisu tasarruf. Are you following? Is what? Naqisu tasarruf. Sorry, not naqisu tasarruf. غير متصرف. So you have mutasarrif, غير mutasarrif. Mutasarrif is tam or naqis, and you have غير mutasarrif. And what's غير mutasarrif? وهو ما لا يتصرف إلى غيره. It only stays as one, no change. It stays as madi and it doesn't change. Or it's mudari and it stays as mudari. I'm not sure if you have one of those, but it only stays as madi, that's it. It doesn't go to anything else. Are you following? And this is also in Arabic, يسمى الفعل غير المتصرف فعلا جامدا. Another name for غير متصرف is جامد. Another name for غير متصرف is what? فعلا جامدا. Yes, so يسمى الفعل غير المتصرف فعلا جامدا. A فعل غير متصرف is also known as a فعل جامد. جمد يجمد, جمود, to be frozen, to become you have fat and ghee, it becomes frozen. Or if you have a drain that's blocked, you have all the like fat is jammed up, you have a fatberg. Or you have ice, it's jumud. And you say that somebody's very mentally, they don't like think out of the box. They call jamid, they have jumud in their mind. So jumud, to be frozen. So فعل جامد is frozen in one form or shape. That's called فعلا جامدا. So يسمى الفعل غير المتصرف فعلا جامدا. A فعل غير متصرف is known as فعلا جامدا. وهو قسمان. And these are two types. Let's go over again now. So we have now فعل المتصرف, it has a conjugation. فعل التام التصرف, a full conjugation. ماضي, مضارع, أمر, نهي, اسم الفاعل, اسم المفعول. Or ناقص تصرف ماضي and مضارع only, nothing else. Then you have غير متصرف, it doesn't change, it's only ماضي. And here you have two types. Some of them have a ماضي, but the ماضي has a ضمير, meaning it goes all the way down. So you have, now in a sub table, you have ماضي, you have مضارع, you have أمر, you have نهي, اسم الفاعل. Yes? So a tamu tasarruf means it has all of them. Yes? So if it's tamu tasarruf, you will have what? That's what? Tamu tasarruf. That's mutasarrif. Mutasarrif tam. Yes? If it has mudari and al-madi mudari, it's called what? What? Mutasarrif naqis. Yes? If it goes all the way down, you have a madi, it has all the madi, only madi, but all the way down. What's that going to be? غير متصرف, but what? It has a ضمير with it, with a ضمير مستتر. And if it only stays in one form, I don't know if it will work now. If it only stays in one form, only the ماضي by itself, that becomes what? No ضمير, لا ضمير. Let me give an example right here. So let me explain. So for example, we have the word ليس. So in this category you have ليس. What do you have ليس? Why? Does ليس have a مضارع? Does the verb ليس have a مضارع? لا سيليس, لا سيلوس? No such thing. So it's غير متصرف. It stays as ماضي. However, it goes down. ليس, ليسوا سواء. Yes? ليست. ليست. لست ليسوا ليست لسنا لست لستما لستم لستو لسنا. It also has all of these. So it has a ضمير at the end. ضمير مرفوع at the end. Are you following? And then the ones that don't have a ضمير, like نعمة. You don't have نعمة نعمو نعمتا no, نعمتا doesn't exist. Are you following? Does it make sense? This متصرف غير متصرف and the two categories of each. So متصرف means what? Follow me. Go with me. What's a متصرف? That it changes to what? All forms. ماضي مضارع أمر نهي فاعل مفعول. And then تام التصرف means ناقص التصرف means what? It only has ماضي and مضارع. So if it changes away from the ماضي, it's متصرف. If it goes all the way across, it's called what? تام التصرف. It only goes to مضارع ناقص التصرف. If it stays in ماضي, it's called what? غير متصرف. And there's two options. One is it goes all the way down with ضمير. That's ما يلحقه ضمير الفاعل. Or it only stays in one form مذكر مؤنث. That's called نعمة نعمة بئس بئست. Do you understand? And these are called what? فعل جامد. But sometimes the books call only this. So this is جامد for sure. This one is جامد 100%. And some books have also called it جامد. Depends on how you structure it. Do you understand? So this is also called جامد. Some of them only refer to these as جامد. But جامد means it stays in one form. Yes? And this is called جامد. So you call it جامد. جامد. You call it جامد. Does everybody understand this? So القسم الأول ما يلحقه ضمير الفاعل. The first type is that word to whom or to which a ضمير is attached. For example, لستم أسيتم أسا. So لستم أسيتم. So these verbs, what do they have after it? It can change from ليس. So they don't have a مضارع. There's no يليسو. أسا فعل مقاربة فعل رجاء. It doesn't mean أسا أسوا يأسا. It doesn't have no مضارع. But in terms of ماضي, it conjugates. لست لستما لستم أسا أسيتم أسيتو أسينا. It's conjugatable downwards. Only ماضي. Yes? And القسم الثاني ما لا يلحقه ضمير الفاعل. It has no ضمير in it. You can't have like نعمة and بئس. They remain نعمة and بئس. You can get a ta on it because the ta is not a ضمير, ta is an ta'nis. So you can have نعمة. You can have here نعمة. And you can have بئس. بئس. Are you following? You have نعمة. You can have بئس. Understood? So in recap, what do we have? A فعل in terms of تصرف and عدم التصرف. Yes? So a متصرف is that which has a ماضي and it moves to مضارع onwards. If it moves all the way مضارع أمر نهي, it's called تام التصرف. If it only moves to مضارع, it's called ناقص التصرف. For example, ما زال لا يزال, only to مضارع. If غير متصرف is that which does not move to مضارع or any of the words after that. If it has a ضمير, like لست أسيتم, لست أسيتم, that's one type. And the other ones that which do not have a ضمير الفاعل, like نعمة and بئس. This is the explanation of فعل التام, فعل المتصرف and فعل الغير متصرف. And الفعل الغير متصرف is also called what? What's another name for فعل الغير متصرف? It's also called جامد. Understood? سبحان الله وبحمده سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك ونشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت ونستغفرك ونتوب إليك.